This module looks at the starting arrangements on the Zenith V12 and the adjustment to slow running. On this particular model of carburettor, it uses a strangler system to enrich the mixture. Simply a plate moves across to restrict the airflow, and then as the car starts, the plate is moved back to its normal position. Other versions of the V12 carburettor have a little starting carburettor bolted on the side here, which has its own feed from the float bowl and make sure that a rich flow of fuel goes directly into the inlet manifold, and there is no air strangling device on that style of starting, and both sorts were fitted to Talbots. The final thing to observe here is that the only external adjustment available on these fixture carburettors is the mixture for idling, and this is simply a screw that you turn in and out to restrict the degree of air going into the idling fuel flow, and that is done in order to get the smoothest possible running. Overall, fixture carburettors have very little opportunity for tuning. The main thing is to ensure that the correct size jets are fitted, and the club is currently working on an adapter that can use a modern wideband lambda sensor, which will allow an accurate air-fuel ratio reading throughout the rev range, and that will make it possible to select exactly the right size jets for your particular car on the particular roads that you use. That's work in progress, and at the moment all one can do is twiddle that screw in order to achieve the best idling.